We are trying to dig for some good stuff, guys. You already know there is a lot of garage sale, estate sale, especially in summer. So I don't know if we have some time to show you a bunch of stuff, guys, but we pretty much got a lot of things that we're going to check out for you guys. Look at those pretty stuff. And we have more bag in there. And we have a whole bunch of this bag, guys. There's more in there. We're gonna check it out. If you guys familiar for eBay, guys, just comment below, and then we're gonna give you some quick tips to buy stuff from garage sale and estate sale. Anyway, guys, if you guys watching right now, please comment below. Otherwise, still thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Bye for now.